Welcome to our comparison video, where we will be diving into the details of two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15 LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency in small living spaces, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. Let's explore what each product has to offer. When it comes to capacity, the ROVSUN 15 LBS portable washing machine offers a total capacity of 15 pounds, which includes 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 L, making it suitable for smaller loads like underwear and baby clothes. While the ROVSUN can handle larger laundry loads, the portable washing machine is designed for those who need a compact solution for lighter washing tasks. The design of these two machines also sets them apart. The ROVSUN features a twin tub design that allows for separate washing and spinning cycles, enhancing efficiency. On the other hand, the portable washing machine boasts a foldable design, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. This feature is ideal for those with limited space or who travel frequently. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a washing machine. The ROVSUN is priced at $99, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features like a built-in drain pump. In contrast, the portable washing machine is more budget-friendly at just $50, making it an attractive option for those looking for a simple and effective laundry solution without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN 15 LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. If you need a larger capacity and more features, the ROVSUN is a great choice. However, if you're looking for something compact and affordable, the portable washing machine might be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.